Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Urukundo. We are going to start to learn Python programming language. In order to follow all courses, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell for getting notification when there is a new thing on my channel. So let us start by explaining Python. Python programming is widely used programming language, and one of its advantages is it is easy to learn and it has simple syntax. So today I'm going to start by explaining you what is print function, what are variables, and how to use them. So for starting Python, you will need to install on your PC JetBrains Python. For this course we'll use JetBrains Python. So now I can start by explaining for you how to use print function, what are variables, and how to use them. So now let us start. We are going to start by using this JetBrains Python. So as you see, we are going to start by creating Python. In this project we are going to start by creating Python file, new Python file. Let us call it print function. This is an interface where we have to put a code. So print helps us to print or to give us the result to display on a screen. So let us start by using print. For this we need to use double quotation or double quote. Hello world. So now we can learn our program. Learn. What's a program? Let us see. What's a problem? Can't open file. Ila number 2, no such. Okay. Let's see. Let's print it again. As you see, this is kilowatt. So for this you can also use single quote. Print welcome to Python course. As you see, for the first print we have double quote. For the second we have single quote. No problem. As you see, hello world, welcome to Python course. You can also use the print for printing a number or integer. Print 15. Let us see. As you see, this is 15, but for there you don't need to put there single quote or double quote, because this is a variable and this variable, no, this is not a variable. It's a value, but it's not a string, you will need to use single quote or double quote for strings only. You can also declare a variable. Let us declare a variable v equal Python course. So when you try to print, notice that you will get, as you see, nothing you get for this v Python course. In order to print this, we also need to use print function. For printing this, let us use print function. Print v. For this v, you will not use double quote or single quote because this is a variable. As you see, Python course. So this is what we are going to end for this part 1 Python tutorial for absolute beginners. Thank you for watching. If you need to continue to follow this lesson, Python programming course, do subscribe and you will get more updates about this Python programming course. Thank you.